Dear students, ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് ഫ്ലോട്ടിംഗ് പോയിന്റ് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റേഷൻ വെച്ചിട്ടൊരു പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. So the question is, convert the number 12.625 plus 12.625 into the floating point representation using the normal representation. So first of all, we can the number is 12. We can take the integer part 12, we can convert that into its binary, so the answer is 6. Then here 2, the remainder here is 0. Again with the 2 we have the answer is 0 here. Then again dividing it with the 2 we have the answer 1. The remainder is 1 here. So the corresponding integer is 1100. So that is the binary representation of the number 12. Now the decimal part of this number, fractional part, is 0.625. So in order to convert that number into binary, first of all you have to multiply it with 2. So the answer is 1.25. Answer is equal to 1.25, and out of that you have to take the integer part here. So next the remaining is 0.25 into 2 again. The value is 0.5, and the integer part here it is 0. Then again we multiply 0.5 into 2, so the answer is 1.0. So here the integer part is 1 and the remainder is 0. The fractional part is 0. So we have no need to multiply again. The answer will go as 0 itself. So the corresponding binary representation for 0.625 is 0.10100, etc., like that. So the total number you can express 12.625 decimal, it is equal to 1100.101. that is the binary equivalent of this decimal number. Next we have to, so the number is 1100.101. that is our decimal binary number. So you have to represent this number in the normalized form. For that we can express this number like this, that is equal to 0.1100101. So we have shifted this binary point into this place, so the corresponding number becomes this into 2 raised to 4. Okay, so this is the mantissa part and this is in the normalized form. Next we have to convert this 2 raised to 4 in the biased exponent form. So that is in the biased exponent form, 2 raised to 4 you have to multiply it with the 2 raised to 128, or this is also known as base to raised to 128 method. So the total value for the exponent part is 2 raised to 132. So we have already mantissa part is, we have normalized mantissa part is there, and this is the biased exponent part. Then next we have to convert the biased part, exponent part 132 into its corresponding binary. So how can we do that? So in order to represent 132 into the binary form, so this is equal to, you can divide it with the 2. The answer is 66 with the remainder 0. Then it is becomes 2 with the remainder 0. 33 is the answer. Then dividing again it with the 2, the answer is 16 with the remainder 1. Then 16 you divide it with the 2, you will get the answer as 8 with the remainder 0. Then 8 you divide it with the 2, you will get 4 with the remainder 0. Then again divide it with the 2, you will get 2 with the remainder 0. Then again divide it with the 2, the answer is 1 with the remainder is 0 and answer is 1. So this answer is 1. So the total value is you can see 1000100, അതായത് 1 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 3 zeros, then again 1 1 2 zeros. So we have expressed this exponent part also in the binary form. For 132, this is the exponent part, and its corresponding binary is equal to 1 0 0 0, that is 0 in 1 0 0. This is the binary equivalent of the exponent part. Okay, next we are expressing the mantissa in 24-bit form. Out of this 24-bit, 1 bit is for the sign part, and the exponent part we are representing in 8-bit form. So first of all, we are expressing the mantissa part in 24-bit form. So you know the mantissa part is that is 0.1100101, or you can neglect this. Only you can put point here. Since this is the positive number, so in the first 8-bit representation you can write like this. First bit is 0 for plus sign, then 1 1 0 0, then 1 0 1. So how many bits are here? That is equal to 3. 8-bit it is okay, and all you other 16 bits you can put zeros like this. So for the next 8 bits you can put 0 like this in the bit, then again you can put zeros in the next bit places also, all zeros. So this is the expression for the mantissa part. 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, 8 zeros, again 8 zeros. So this is the representation of the mantissa part. Then for the exponent part, we have expressed 132 is the exponent part, and that we have converted into its binary form. So in the 8-bit form, we have no need to give the sign part here, because it is the biased exponent. So whether it is it will be always positive, because we are adding 128 with the exponent part. So the number will be so we have 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. How many bits are here? That is 4 plus 4, 8 bits are here. So you can represent that bits itself here in the 8-bit form. That is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So this is the representation of the number 12.625 in the biased floating point representation using the standard form. Okay. Now suppose you want to express minus 12.625 in this method using the 32-bit memory locations. Then we have already done it for the plus 12.625. So we can take the values from there. So for the mantissa part, for plus 12.625, we have the value like this. So for plus 12.625, the mantissa part is 0 1 1 it is 0.1100101. That is the mantissa part, and exponent part biased form, it is 2 raised to 132. So first of all, this is the representation of a positive number. So that number you have to, in order to represent it in the form of a negative number, you have to take its 2's complement. So how can we take the 2's complement here? And here this number consists of how many bits? 7 bits are there. So out of the first 8 bit, 1 bit we have left for the sign part. So including that sign bit part, we can represent the number like this: 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. So that is the representation of the original bit. So in order to express it in the it as a negative number, what we have to do is you have to take the ones complement of this one. So the number is including the sign bit, the number is 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Then its ones complement is 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. Then its 2's complement is obtained by adding 1 to it. So the number is 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. So this is the expression for the mantissa part, including the sign bit. So for the first 23 part, so in the first 23 part, So in the 24-bit formation, the first 8 bit is this one 1 0 1 0 0. So in the the first 8 bit is like this 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So it corresponds to first 8 bit. Then the remaining 8 bits are all zeros. You can put 8 zeros here, then again one more 8 zeros for the next. So total 24 bits we will get. And there is no change for the Mandisa part. Mandisa part is the same that we have already obtained for the 132. So that is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. So that is the representation of the number minus 12.625. Okay. So that is about the conversion of this decimal number in the floating point representation using the standard representations. Okay, you can see the problems here. Those who have not written can write like this. So for this is the expression for okay, my plus 125 plus 12.625. Okay.